to my channel. If you have not subscribed, please kindly subscribe. And if you have subscribed before, give this video a thumbs up. So in this video, we'll be looking at the real truth about support and resistance. The real truth. I'll be walking you through the real truth about support and resistance. Now, first of all, let's talk about what support and resistance are. It's very, very important. So I've been hearing a lot about support and resistance. Forex, everyone talks about support and resistance. As a matter of fact, it is safe to say support and resistance is one of the most discussed concepts in Forex trading. Yes, when it comes to technical analysis. What exactly is support and resistance? Yes, support are horizontal areas on your chart where potential buying pressure are expected to come in. Yes, we expect that when the market gets to a support, there could be buying pressure. Let's give an example here. Let's reset this. Okay, let's look for yes. This is an example of a support. You can see buying pressure sets in here and the market rallied up because this is a known support area. Look at this. Look at this. Take a good look at this place. I believe you can see my cursor. So supports are horizontal areas on your chart where buying pressure are expected to set in. Now, on the other hand, resistance are also horizontal area in the chart where we expect that selling pressure could come in. Now, take a good look at this. Selling pressure. You can see it here. Selling pressure came in at those areas. So now that we know what support and resistance are, let's quickly talk about some truths. Some truth, the very real truth. I will tell you exactly the way it is. The real truth about support and resistance. Now, the first thing I'll be pointing out to you here is that support and resistance are areas on your chart. They are areas on your chart. Now, I have seen people mark their support and resistance line like this. They just use a line to draw it. Yes, this will affect your trade. You will not be able to capture opportunities in the market if you are using just a single line to draw your support and resistance. They are actually supposed to be areas on your chart. And that is why normally when I draw, you can see what I have on the screen here. I'm drawing my support and resistance. I'm using the rectangular tool to draw my support and resistance. Why am I doing this? I am doing this because they are supposed to be areas. Take a good look at this. Okay, let me zoom out so you can see what I'm saying very well. If I had drawn this as a single line, yes, there are chances that I would have missed this. But because I drew this as a rectangle, see, the market is still within my zone and I can still take this trade, enter this trade for a buy and still capture this movement and be in profit. So take note of this. Support and resistance are supposed to be areas on your chart. So going forward, treat support and resistance as areas, as zones on your chart. Yes, the second truth we'll be talking about here about support and resistance is that support and resistance are supposed to be obvious levels. Obvious, not imaginary. They are not imaginary lines. They are obvious level where the market has reacted. See, obvious level. When the market got there, the market bounced back. It got here, it bounced back. It got here, it bounced back. That's a resistance level. If you are struggling to locate or to see the support or the resistance level, then it's probably not there. You don't have to force it. Yes, they are very obvious level. They should be obvious to you, actually. Yes, as a person analyzing the market, your support and resistance level should be very obvious to you, such that the moment you open your chart, you can easily locate them. You can easily see them on whatever time frame you are trading from. Whatever time frame, be it the 1 hour, be it the 4 hours, be it the daily, be it the weekly, on whatever time frame you are trading from, your support and resistance level should be very obvious to you. You should be able to spot them. If you are having a second guess. We are second guessing if this is the support or resistance level, then it's probably not obvious. It is probably not obvious or not worth marking as a level on your chart. I believe you understand what I mean by that. Yes, let's go to the third real truth about support and resistance. Support can become resistance, and resistance can become support. It's possible you have had this before. When a particular support or resistance line has been broken, it can become, look at this, take a good look at this. Yes, this is a very good example. This is a support line. This is the support line here. Let's see if it actually became, yes, this is a resistance. Take a good look at this. This is a horizontal and horizontal area on the chart that prevents, selling pressure came in here. But what happened? The market broke this and then rallied up. And then when the market came back, this same area on my chart that was once a resistance now became a support and pushed the price higher. So resistance can become support, support can become resistance. They can switch roles, and this happens a lot of time when trading. It happens a lot. So take note. Take note that your support can become, once a support line is broken, it can become resistance. And when the resistance line is broken, it can also become support. So I go to truth number four. Truth number four, the real truth number four about support and resistance. Now take note of this. The higher the time frame, the stronger the support and resistance level. What do I mean by that? Whatever support or resistance level you have drawn on the weekly time frame, whatever support, you can see I've marked some levels here too in the weekly time frame, and I've seen some levels here that I've still not marked. Yes, let's mark this level. This is a very strong level also. Can you see? I'm marking this level right here now. So whatever support, this is the resistance level now. Whatever support or resistance level you are drawing on the higher time frame is stronger. It means the higher the time frame, the stronger the support and resistance level. Why is it like this? Look at this resistance level. You will realize that it takes a while before they are tested. It takes a while. Yes, see, this was last tested 7th of April 2014. Can you see? So it takes a while before the weekly time frame, you know, builds up, and there are so many volumes in the daily time frame. So many volumes, so many volumes. So whatever levels you are marking here, they are actually stronger. And that is why we always encourage that when you're analyzing your trade, always start from the higher time frame. If you are drawing your support and resistance on 1 hour, it is not as strong as levels marked. It does not mean that markets will not respect them once in a while. It does, but you will not have an edge, as when you are marking your levels on the daily, on the weekly time frame. You can use smaller time frames for your entry, but it's very, very important to mark your support and resistance area and zone on the higher time frame. They tend to be stronger. They are always stronger on the higher time frame. So that's that. I believe you understand that also. I believe that is very, very clear. Yes, let's go to number five. Number five, the five real truths about support and resistance is that it is not enough just to buy at support and sell at resistance. Yes, I've had so many people come to me and complain, this, that. I've been losing money trading the Forex market. Oh, what's going on? I make sure I buy at support and I sell at resistance. Well, if everyone is buying at support and selling at resistance, if it's that simple, then everyone will become a millionaire trading Forex. What am I trying to say in essence? What I'm trying to say is that it is not enough for you to just buy because the market has gotten to the support and to just sell because it has gotten to the resistance. You need to look for some other confluences, additional confluences before entering the trade. The confluences can be Fibonacci levels, it can be candlestick formation, it could be chart patterns. Some use indicators like simple moving average amidst others. Some use the ATR. So you must wait for additional confluences. The market does not just, okay, take a good look at this. Let us zoom this out. Let's zoom this out and let's see. Okay, take a good look at this level. The market broke this support. It broke. So it means that the market does not always respect support and resistance level. So it is not enough for you to just buy at support. If you had bought at this support, then this trade would have hit your stop loss and you would have lost out on this trade. So it is not enough for you to just buy at support and sell at resistance. Oh, that is not a good strategy. You should have other conferences. I have mentioned some of them, and there are still more. There are still more, but there should be additional conferences that will make you enter your trade. Okay, I'll be stopping here so this video won't be long. Watch out for my next video where I'll talk about part 2 of the real truth about support and resistance. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe and share this video. Thank you. See you next time.